Welcome to Discover the Ocean. Today we're going on a special journey to meet some amazing animals who live under the sea. Get ready to splash into a world of wonder. Our first stop is the colorful world of the clownfish. Clownfish live in sea anemones and have a special layer on their skin that protects them. They come in bright oranges and whites. Can you spot them playing hide and seek? Now, let's swim with the dolphins. Dolphins are super smart and friendly. They love to play and can even do amazing jumps out of the water. Did you know they talk to each other with clicks and whistles? Look over there. It's a sea turtle. Sea turtles have hard shells to protect them, and they can live for a very long time. They travel across oceans and lay their eggs on beaches. Here we have a sea star, also known as a starfish. They're not really fish. Sea stars can have many colors, and even though they move slowly, they are great hunters. Can you find the octopus? Octopuses are amazing at hiding because they can change colors to blend in with their surroundings. They have 8 arms and are very intelligent. Floating gracefully are the jellyfish. Jellyfish move by pulsing their umbrella-shaped bodies. They can be very pretty, but it's important not to touch them as they can sting. Now, let's gently drift to the seahorse. Seahorses are tiny fish that look like little horses. They hold on to seagrass with their tails, and the males carry the babies. Jumping out of the water, we meet penguins. Penguins are birds that can't fly, but they are excellent at swimming. They live in cold places and look like they're wearing tuxedos. What's that in the distance? It's a shark. Sharks are important for keeping the ocean healthy. They come in all shapes and sizes, and most of them are not dangerous to humans. Finally, we meet the majestic whales. Whales are the largest animals in the ocean. They breathe the air like us and can make loud sounds to communicate. They are truly magnificent. What an adventure we had today meeting our marine friends. Each one is special and important to our ocean. Do you have a favorite marine animal? Remember, we all need to help take care of our oceans to keep these animals safe. Thanks for exploring with me, and see you on our next adventure.